Vasudev D Pai of ECEKUHS 5B. Today I am going to do two experiments. One, I will show you that when you scratch hibiscus on paper, you will get a blue color. So do the experiments. We have a piece of paper and a hibiscus flower. We take the petals like this. Let's scratch it. And we got a blue color. Experiment 2, color change. When we put some few dots on vinegar, color changes to red. When we add soap to it, it does not change color. Then we have two papers. This is soap water, this is vinegar water. Put a drop of vinegar on this paper. It is changed red. Put a drop of soap water. No color change. See the difference. That's all for today. Thank you.